Hey, guys! Welcome back to the iMyFone channel. Having trouble with your iPhone stuck in recovery mode and refusing to restore? I've got you covered with a solution. Many people face this issue when trying to update or restore their iPhone using iTunes. In this tutorial, I'll share the top 3 ways to solve this problem. Let's see how to make it happen. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. Simply press and let go of both the volume up and down buttons, then press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Sometimes, this method may not work. Don't worry, keep reading for a more effective solution. Method 2. Use the iOS repair tool Fixppo. Fixppo can quickly fix the problem of your phone stuck in recovery mode and no data will be erased. Step 1. You can first download it and see how to use it. Now open Fixppo and choose Standard Mode. Connect your iPhone to the computer. And then click on Download to get the firmware that will be later used for the fixing process. The whole downloading will take you up to 15 minutes or so. You may wait for it to complete. And begin the last step. Fixppo will instantly start to fix your iPhone and finish it in 5 minutes. Try not to touch the cable when Fixppo is working, or your iPhone may be disconnected. Then it's done. Your phone will no longer be stuck in recovery mode soon. Take a look now, no data loss. You can freely enjoy using your phone. Method 3. Restore iPhone with DFU mode. Please note this method will result in erasing everything from your device. Step 1. Put your iPhone into DFU mode. For iPhone 8 and later, press the volume up and then volume down keys. Press and hold the side button. Don't release it when the screen turns black. Press and hold the volume down button together with the side button for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, release the side button but keep holding the volume down button for at least 5 seconds. When your screen stays dark, your phone has successfully entered DFU mode. Step 2. Connect your device to the computer and open iTunes. Step 3. Your device's information will now be shown. Click on the Restore iPhone. Now, while your phone is back to normal now, all your data has been wiped. If you want to fix your phone and keep your data safe, I highly recommend using the professional repair tool Fixppo. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you find these methods helpful, share them with your friends. Can't wait to see you in the next video.